subscribe and join the HOHO family. We are currently at a rather fancy restaurant, burning our pockets here, but we need to enjoy ourselves too, right? John ordered something that I couldn't remember. What's that? Pakiri? This is called pakiri. We have grilled red snappers as well. Wow. We drove up to Bylis Archeological Park, and guess what? There's a bonus! I see a shepherd with his flock. I'm gonna go over and see if I can get a closer view of it. I'm so happy! I spoke with the shepherd who didn't know English, but we communicated somehow. So I have even took a photo with him. Here is amazing. Nice, so nice. We've moved to the archaeological site of Bylis, and this is the world. All that's left. And right here. We are in the archaeological park of Bylis, but we only see grass. FYI, the journey here is terrible. Full of those, I think, mealybugs and earthworms. It's like all over. You have to really jump here and there to get up here. So if you guys are as afraid of insects as me, just wear shoes, cover yourself up, and at least it's better. I just saw a squirrel literally skip through from here to here over there. Let me see if I can find it. Any rustle in the bushes? Here you go again. It was here though. Oh, so I'm walking through this. It's so not camped. Not well camped at all. Not camped at all actually. Gosh, will anything appear? Okay. You see some walls and you see some stones. And lots of bug sounds, like mosquito sounds. So after walking, we finally go up. What I mean. I think this is called the mealybug, if I'm not wrong, and the whole floor is teeming with that, crawling all over us. Look at this, guys. Oh, we got directed to another place. It's better, but still teeming with lots of insects on the ground. Safe back in the car. That was the worst experience I've ever had. 0 star for this. Every foot, insects everywhere. Bees buzzing around, mosquitoes buzzing around. You can't enjoy the ruins because you can't even take a photo because insects everywhere. But if you don't have insects and you don't mind seeing it how it is without being maintained at all, then maybe you can just come here. Oh no, oh, good luck to them. Okay, saying goodbye to the meme and the shepherd that I make friends with. Bye bye. So close to the
And the very first.
Okay. Oh, wow.
But it's kind of a secret. But we know everything else. But
We are at the canyon, Osumi Canyon, and the view is amazing. The waterfall over there only comes in before summer, which is just springtime. Then it just vanishes because there's not enough water that flows. So we're lucky. People do rafting here on the Osumi River as well.
Un telefoon doe ik het veel, ja. Doe het er aan telefoon.
Okay.
we're gonna see these kind of places used mostly to do some sacrifices in the name of God. As you can see, blood everywhere.
I see.
They're usually lambs. Just getting out a little bit or not too huge.
Okay.
So take the Muslims Cherbelaya field located somewhere. Had to marry this guy, but she didn't want to marry this guy, and she asked the rock to open up and hide them. But isn't that deep?
Yeah, isn't it? Right. Interesting information.
Together?
I can help us with this.
Was
We are walking to the
let's go. I didn't think it was going to rain today.
Yeah.
That light going to leave my foot.
Nice to meet you.